When people go to these parks, they're really struck by their beauty. The sound of a river or stream, the smell of woodland. It's the way that light casts itself over the landscape. Giving people the opportunity to bring that feeling home helps to make it a lasting one. Manufacturing the blankets in Britain was a requirement from the very start. With a long history stretching back to the 18th century, Hainsworth was the obvious choice.
The challenge to create 10 unique designs, each a covered spool blanket, something to comfort the user, something which will carry meaning and bring back the memories of that particular park. That's what made this project so enjoyable.
I've been fortunate enough to visit all but 2 of our national parks, which gave me a great start point and reference for me to base the designs upon. So I knew I wanted to represent an iconic view for each of the parks, which encompasses the landscape and the colours, and experimented with how these views would translate within the limitations of the embroidery process and also the limiting colour palette.
Nothing brings home a feeling or a coziness quite like a wool blanket. Perhaps it's the weight, the versatility, the exceptional warmth. A well-made wool blanket is something you'll pass down to the next generation.
You know, the Yorkshire Dales has got a particularly personal connection because obviously where I live and where the mill's situated. So I'm really interested to see how that turns out when those are woven and finished.
So the national parks have always been a big part of my life. I spent a lot of time exploring them in various ways over the years. So I may be slightly biased, but I'm looking forward to seeing the latest strict one come to life.
The team at National Parks UK were enthusiastic about the idea and were thrilled to be partnered with them.